We are setting up the lights, and I'm so excited. They look so cool. This is the 200 feet. They're so long that we didn't know where to go. But believe it or not, here it looks so small, but the distance from the house up to the tree, and literally we went from the house to the tree, then to the other tree, then back down, all the way up to that tree, then came back down, then all the way over there, which is super long. Yes, it's a total of 200 feet. It's pretty cool. I love these lights already. Let me show you, but it's that long, and I like that the bulbs are actually plastic. So, but you need to make sure that when you get them, they come all tangled up. That's the bad side. Like they're super tangled up, so you really have to like have some patience and untangle them. But once you get it done, you can stretch them really good, and look at how cool that looks. I mean, we literally went like zigzag because we didn't know how what else to do. But anyways, I was saying about the light bulbs, you need to screw them, make sure they're all nicely screwed. If one doesn't light up, that means you need to screw it more. There's two replacement light bulbs, and you see, but hold on, let me, that's how long it is. It's super long, 200 feet all the way to that tree. Believe it or not, that's like really far, and then all the way back here, which is really cool. And that was it. So we love them, and it lights up the whole freaking patio or the backyard. I mean, without these Christmas lights that we have here, honestly, like we don't even need those to light up the whole backyard, and it's so pretty. I love it. And we're gonna fix it up and make it really nice.